Hey guys, today's video is going to be my Sephora Play unbagging for the month of December. I was actually just running out the door, but this came in the mail, so I got my jacket on. So yeah, I was like, I need to film this. I need to hurry up and film this. So we're filming it. All right, Sephora Play for December. Let's see, what is the theme? This just says Playlist 2018. So first thing is the Rouge Jip. I was trying to say gel and then lip was the next word, so I said jip. No, it's the Rouge Gel Lip Liner from the Sephora collection. Oh boy. A gel lip liner with a super soft texture in a matte nude shade. So that's the color right there. Okay, next we have something from Kiehl's. This is the Powerful Strength Line Reducing Concentrate. So this must be the mystery travel size product because it says this month's bonus is an extra trial size. Next we have something from Verb. This is the Ghost Oil. A frizz-defying hair oil that delivers essential nutrients to your strands. Okay. Don't mind my nails. Okay, next we have something from Lancome. This is the Bi-Facial Double Action Eye Makeup Remover, a gentle liquid makeup remover that easily wipes away any product. We have something from Trestique. This is the Lip Glaze in Paris Pink, a nurturing lip balm in a vivid pink shade with a soft shine finish. So that's what that looks like. Let's see. It's not that bad. Like, I'm not really a pink lip wearer, but this is more of like a salmon pink. Like, this isn't like pink. The last thing in the bag is from Too Faced. This is the Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer, an effective primer that blurs imperfections and brightens the complexion. I have not tried this. I just dropped the paper. Pretty decent bag. Like I said, I'm excited for this primer. This lip color I will wear. Where are the other products? I'm not really a lip liner wearer, but it's a nude color, so you know, yeah, we'll give it a shot. Eye makeup remover, can always use that. I am intrigued by this Ghost Oil. And then this Kiehl's Powerful Strength Line Reducing Concentrate. I'll let you guys know if it reduces lines because Mama's got a lot of lines. So that is everything that I got in my Sephora Play bag for the month of December. If you guys are interested in signing up, I will have a link down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.